Okay, hey everybody, so we are at another room. So this is our room. I'm going to show you this key right here opens the door. And in we go. So this is the regular room that we normally get. So we had to change rooms, and I'll show you the other video of the room and why we changed rooms. So being an owner here, we are guaranteed an oceanfront view, which the other room was too, but this is the room. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Really, really pretty. I really don't want to get on video. So I guess I will show you guys anyway. So the bathroom room is in there. This is the shower. So you get robes and slippers, and I'll show you the slippers and everything. So this is the shower. Really nice shower, and it has a clothesline in there as well. And then towels are down there. Your drink and drink bucket is right here. So a lot of things are missing because we've used them all, but they give you shampoo and lotion and conditioner and mouthwash and sewing kit, all kinds of different soaps, some oils that they have down in the spa here. Of course, you have tissues. There's a blow dryer. There's a mirror for makeup here, and they made it really pretty. So this is the new upgraded room. Everything is not even in here. They have to put pictures and stuff in here still, but it's really, really nice. I think it's a 900 square foot room. So we're gonna go out here, and this is the closet. So, and there's two sides of the closet. You have an ironing board. There's a scale, there's an iron, and then you have a safe up here, luggage rack, and if you need more luggage rack, they'll give it to you. And then right over here is the bar area. So these bottles right here are going in here, but this is not finished yet. Usually this is outside in the main room, but they're just redoing these rooms. Literally, when we were here in November, these rooms were not done, and we stayed in a similar room just a couple rooms down. So this is all new. It's now encased in here. So these are the bottles. You can have your choice of whatever they have downstairs if you're a member or a guest of a member. So this is something that you won't get if you book on like Expedia or something like that. This is only for owners, members. So here's the microwave. You have a coffee pot, comes with coffee and everything. And then down here, you have storage. We usually store snacks right there, and a refrigerator that has a lot in it right now. So they fully stock the refrigerator. You get beer, soda, lots of water. This is a bottle of green juice that they have downstairs that I absolutely love. Really nice refrigerator. It's got a little freezer in there. Plenty of room. You can go to the local store and get whatever you want if you want. I mean, there's room service 24 hours here. So I'm going to walk over here. Sorry, I don't have this on the gimbal, you guys. So here's the robe, and this is how they come in your room. It's the robe and the slippers. And then when this is the towel. I'll show you the room real quick because I'm running out of room. And you guys have seen the view.